Really, Zachary?
Unfortunately.
Really, Zach?
Here.
Hey, don't throw toys at your brother. Where you going, D-Man? Yeah, come here.
Wow.
Why'd you do that?
Skateboard.
That is not a skateboard. That's no skateboard.
Alright.
Uh-oh. Where's he going? There you are. Found you. What are you doing? Well, come on. Derek. Derek. Hey. D-Man, come on. Hey. Come over here and play with Bubby. Come on. What's wrong? Come on, baby. You want to hide? Uh-oh, Bubby's throwing toys. Let's go get him. Let's go get Bubby. Hey, you gonna tell Daddy hi again?
Yeah.
Tell him.
Hi.
Tell him, say hi, Daddy. Give him kisses again?
Yeah.
Good. Now you got blow kisses, silly butt. There you go. You miss him?
Yeah.
And I miss him too, and he's only been going away from me for a few minutes. What are we going to get into next? Let's see what we got in here. A caterpillar?
Yeah, I got it.
That's right, caterpillar. Hey, share. Oh, Bubby found what he wants. What you got, Derek? What you got, Zach?
My Batman?
What is that? That's Spider-Man.
Yeah.
The black Spider-Man.
Black Batman.
Yeah, he's called Venom. Ah! Uh-oh, Bubby's getting into something. What's Bubby got? Oh, Bubby's got blocks. Uh-oh. A truck? Oh boy, Bubby's got a hammer. You got a hammer too? Oh no. Oh my goodness. You two are crazy. Hey Zachary, give Bubby hugs. Share. Don't take from your brother. Let him play with it.
No.
Zachary, you'll get it next. Let Bubby finish playing and you'll get it next. Here. It's okay. Is that your walking stick? Is it your walking stick? You're goofy. Are you having fun, Zachary?
I'm the pig. Can't we stop? I'm the cat. Be very careful. I'm the cat. Be very careful. I'm the pig. Can't we stop?
Hey! That's a no-no. Don't you dare do that again. Come on. It's okay. You're not in trouble. Just come here. Come here and play. I see you. There's a smile. I see you.
Let's go. 1, 2.
Come here, Zach. What is that? Beanbag? It's okay. Come here. Let me see it. Play a game. Do you have a beanbag?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Ah! Where'd it go? Oh, I missed. Find one for your brother. Find a beanbag for Bubby.
Okay. Oh.
Really, your brother thinks it's a bracelet now. Oh my goodness. What you got?
I'm a pig.
Can I see?
Yeah.
Evidently they dance. Ah! It.